Oh my goodness, bro. Ra, 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 ra. She's a vocalist, bro. What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, yes, the time has finally arrived. But before that, someone asked me if I could check out this song from like about 2 days ago, and I finally live to see this very day that Putri gave us another music video reaction. But guys, we should support this female because her music, it's timeless, it's beautiful, it's a work of art, right? This female, she's disabled, she's blind, and we have to see through that her music reaches people to and from across the world, right? And I'm in Jamaica now, so I'll make sure that her music reaches to a lot of my Jamaican folks, because her music needs to be heard by thousands, by millions, by many people. So guys, we're gonna react to Putri Ariani Sheepish official music video. I've been waiting, and my wait is finally over. So without further ado, guys, let's dive in. Let's see what she has to say in this one. And remember, support her. She needs our support, and we should always give her that continuous support. Sheepish. Hey. Hey, this is amazing, bro. Her voice is so good, bro. She's a vocalist.
Hiding in a corner, eyes still a glance, heart beating fast, caught in a trance.
Wow, this video, it's beautiful. The place is to die for. And better yet, her voice is so peacefully good. She's beautiful. She's a gem, bro. She's a gem. And gem like this is very rare. It's so hard to find. And when you find that gem, it's priceless. And to see something like this so beautiful, it breaks my heart, bro, to see so much people not giving this female the support that she deserves. A lot of people reaches out to me and say, hey, please check out Putri, and I'm happy to do that because I have to support her. I have to give her the support that she's supposed to get, man. Trust me, I'm a big fan of her music.
Words on my lips, but they won't flow. Want to tell you everything I can't. I'm the quiet one.
Yo, her stories are realistically true, man. And I've heard that she's a writer of her songs. And to see her songs being displayed here, and to see what she's saying, right, being displayed here to us, it's something that we should take specially. Trust me, bro. We're never gonna see someone else like this again in life. She's unique, she's singular, she's different.
With the baton, hearts and mysteries, stories unfold.
Her voice is just so captivatingly beautiful. Yo, bro.
Longing to be close, but I stay apart, lost in the rhythm of my sheepish.
Amazing message. Hey, if she found someone, which is her boyfriend, right, and she wrote the song based off of that story, then eventually, bro, like, why? Why, bro? Why?
Loving like friends, but I crave more.
I'm feeling the music, bro. I'm feeling the music. Oh my god, yo, I'm feeling the music, bro. Wow.
Much more in this silent. I want more every moment with you.
Yo, I would spend every minute, every hour, every day. Once there is no work, I would spend my time with this female because she's displaying a beautiful side of her. She's displaying a beautification. Bro, I am feeling welcome here.
Wishing someday you knew I'm the quiet one with love untold, hearts a mystery.
Woo! She's a quiet one, bro. Very much so. I can tell that she's not the one who speaks a lot on things, but yo, damn, damn.
These stories unfold, longing to be close, but I stay apart, lost in the rhythm of my Sheepish.
Woo. Woo. Yo, Putri, I don't know how you do this, but this is beautiful.
Dreaming of the day when I'll break free from the chains of doubt, just you and me.
Hey, compliments and a beautiful blue dress. Blue is my favorite color. I'm not gonna lie. When it comes on to blue, I crave for that color. But to see Putri Ariani displays in this beautiful blue color, it's so peaceful, it's so mesmerizingly beautiful. I am loving everything about this video, bro. Like, it's so good, it's so good.
I'm the quiet one.
I gotta say, when it comes on to vocalist, she's the one. When it comes on to soft, beautiful tempo, she's the one. When it comes on to music with life coming from an Indonesian, she's the one. She's a complete package, man. And once we have this package, let's not destroy it. Let's cherish this package. Let's give this package the best protection of all times, man. Because real is rare. And she's the realest one, bro. She's beautiful. And let's embrace her beauty. Let's embrace her realness, bro.
With love untold, hearts are mysteries. Stories unfold, longing to be close, but I stay apart.
Whoa. Stories unfold to be close, but I stay your part. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Yo, this is a wonderful music video, a wonderful song. I am happy, bro.
Lost in the rhythm of my Sheepish. Though my words may fail to find their way, my love for you.
Yo, I am blushing, bro. I am blushing, dog. Like, hey, Putri, I do not know how you find time to write this, but this is a masterpiece. A masterpiece, I told you.
We'll never stray for now. I keep my secret inside. Lost in the rhythm of my Sheepish.
I can hear her realness coming from this song. She's singing from her heart, and the heartbeat make this song beats better because it's coming from her heart. Soulful music, Putri. Keep up the good work. We are here to support you.
I'm the quiet one, so I keep my secret inside.
As a Jamaican, this place looks beautiful, right? the cars, the buildings in Jamaica. I never yet see such buildings in my country, Jamaica, especially for this type of train. They are not in Jamaica. But to experience this, it feels as if it's like I'm living in Indonesia, right? It's giving that realistic feeling, even though I'm behind the screen. Bro, this is a 1 in a billion music video. Whoa, it's telling a lot in this song, man. Oh my goodness, bro. Ra, 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 ra. She's a vocalist, bro. She's my G. Nice one, Putri. Nice one. Very nice song. Stunning, Putri. Stunning. That story was amazing. I enjoyed it. Bro, stunning again. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, please leave a like. And if you guys want more reactions from me by Putri, subscribe. Turn that bell icon on to be notified. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.